Some examples of three address code. So here is a given boolean expression, so we need to write the TAC or three address code of this boolean function. And for three address code we can use relational operator, but there is no boolean variable or boolean operator. So how to do? So here, suppose at last if this variable is true, then we will go to L true. If this boolean is false, then we will go to L false. Okay, so with that we will start. We have if A, then go to L1. Suppose means if a boolean variable is true, then we will go to L1. If A in this expression, if A here is true, then we need to check the value of B. If both are true and this is OR, then the whole expression becomes true. But if A is false, then obviously here AND is there, and by short circuiting we know this whole expression is going to be false. So why to check for B? We can directly go and check for C. If C is false, then only this expression will be true and we can go to L true. Now here if A is false, then we need to check for the second term of OR, that is if C. If C is true, because in TAC we are not having not C. So if C is true, then this whole expression will become false, and this was false, this is false, therefore the whole expression becomes false, or therefore I need to go to L false. Therefore if C is true, then go to L false. If C is if C is false, then not a false is true, or true means whole expression is true. Therefore go to L true. Okay, now we need to define here L1. So what is L1? Means I need to go for checking B condition is true or not. If it is true, then whole expression becomes true, therefore L true. Okay, so means A is true, and now I am going to check for B. Means if B, then go to L true. Okay, now if B is false, means A is true and B is false, because if I have reached here, means A is true, and if this condition is false, then A is true and B is false, making this whole expression as false. Then I need to check for this condition, therefore I need to again start from here. So let it be this L2, and here go to L2. So if first expression is false, then depending upon L2 or second expression, we will go to L true or L false. And if first expression is true, both true, then we need to go to L true. So this is how, without using any boolean variable or boolean operator, we are doing in TAC, three address code.